What's up guys, before we start please like and subscribe.
Let's start the video. We will need two cars to install the roof rack. The first car will be for experiment, and the second car will be the one we will install the roof rack on. This will be the car we will install the roof rack on. Follow my steps carefully. On the third bumper you buy it, and go to the car you will install the roof rack on. The code for the roof rack is 69. Press buy and go back to your car collection and switch cars and get back to it. You will see magic. Boom, ta-da, there's the roof rack installed, but me personally, I don't like how it's glitched.
Oh my god!
Nice!
Before I end the video, on the 5th of May I will be giving away some of the cars I bought in World Sale. But I will be keeping the Trackhawk for myself. Any idea of what I should do next? Drop a comment and like my video.